Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can stop a website from tracking you. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that matter, what you need to do is, first of all, you have to simply go ahead, get yourself a robust ad blocker like uBlock Origin. Once you have that on your browser, you will be able to go ahead and block the unnecessary ads for you. And the next thing what you can do is you can simply go ahead and manage your browse cookie. You can simply go ahead, go to your Google account and go to settings. From this section, go to privacy and safety, and here you will be able to go ahead, go to the cookie section, and then you're gonna go ahead and manage them. You can also enable browser wide opt-out preference using global privacy control. Next thing, you're gonna simply go ahead, go to the settings, and here you're gonna go ahead, go to the privacy, go to privacy and security, and here when you have the location services, what you're gonna need to do is you need to simply go ahead, turn them on, tap on individual apps, and go ahead, make the location either never or ask next time or when I share or while using the app to limit the use of your location. Next thing, you can also go ahead, use a safe browser which is preferred. So for example, Brave browser, you can start using Brave browser as well, which has a bit more security for you to block the tracking. This is what you can do, and that's how you will be able to simply go ahead and stop the tracking. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.